name's Andrea and welcome to Andrea's One Stop Garden. Today I am taking the first step in planting lavender seeds. With lavender, lavender needs a period of cold stratification. What is cold stratification, you wonder? Well, it is a period that is exposing lavender seeds to cold, moist conditions to mimic winter, as lavender seeds need a cold period that is cold and damp to break their dormancy. So today we are going to be starting that cold stratification, as the seeds do need a period of 3 to 4 weeks in the refrigerator to help improve their germination rate. So today I'm going to show you how to take that step. So with lavender, they are a perennial in certain zones. So the types of lavender I am starting today is Vera lavender and English lavender. These two varieties are perennial in about zone 5 to 9, whereas dwarf homestead lavender are perennial in zones 4 to 9. However, you can sometimes grow them in as low as zone 3 if you have certain protections for the plant, like mulching around the plant to protect it from winter. So in order to cold stratify your seeds, you're going to need a few tools. So first, you'll need some paper towel. You'll need a few baggies, some water. I like to label my seeds, so I have the label maker. However, if you have a Sharpie marker, you can just write down what type of seeds they are right on the bag. So to get started, I am going to take my paper towel and I break off a few pieces here. I like to fold it in half. And you want it damp, but you do not want it soaking wet. So I'm just taking it and wringing it. And then I'm just going to unfold it just like that. I take my damp paper towel. I'm going to start with English lavender. Seeds are quite tiny there. And all I'm doing is sprinkling them right on the paper towel and closing it up just like that. And then I like to give it just a little bit more spray. It's not soaking wet, but it's just a little bit moist. Then I take my damp paper towel and I put it right inside the baggie, just like that. And then I'll be labeling this bag and putting it in my meat drawer in my refrigerator and keeping it there for about 3 to 4 weeks. Each type of lavender sometimes says that it needs a different amount of time in the refrigerator. So this one right here, Vera lavender, says it takes 3 to 6 weeks for cold stratification, whereas homestead lavender right here says 4 to 6 weeks for cold stratification. The English lavender does not say that it needs cold stratification, but I did look it up online, and I have planted it before without cold stratification, but the germination rates are not as good as when I do stratify them. So I am cold stratifying all these types of lavender right there. And because it does have different time frames, I am probably going to leave them in there for about 4 weeks. So in the middle of February, I'll be coming back to plant these seeds. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to see more planting videos like this, and we'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.